Hello and welcome to Three Questions with. Got my buddy Christopher Swanson with us from Bates Insurance. Hello, Christopher. How you doing today, bud?
Hey, Kev, I'm good. Thanks for having me.
So why don't we just start at the beginning? Give us a little overview about Bates Insurance.
Sure, yeah. Bates Insurance, we are a family owned and operated third generation full service insurance agency. We're located in Medford Square. We represent numerous carriers in the area. Those include Mapfre Commerce, Norfolk and Dedham, Preferred Mutual, and Quincy Mutual. I am 2 years into the job. This is my first job in the business field and loving every minute of it thus far.
So talk to me about the types of clients you work with. Do you both do commercial and P&C for car insurance?
Yeah. I mean, we do a little bit of everything here. We love working with individuals, first-time home buyers, families of all sizes, small business owners, whether they have, 5, 10 employees on their books or whether they're, the do-it-yourselfer, the handyman, the contractor. Our clientele it's all over the place. So we do a little bit of everything here, but for the most part, our book of business includes home, auto, and commercial insurance.
So Chris, I find a lot of people don't think about their agent until something goes wrong. I'm a big believer in, I'm sure insurance is insurance to me. The agent is what I'm paying for. So when I have an issue or I have a concern, I can walk you through, Christopher, this is my business, this is my life. Tell me what I need for protection. That's what I want. I want someone who's my partner, who's like, Kev, you got to be cautious of this. You got to be protected for this. And not just, people tease me because I am probably one of the 3 people in the world that I don't look at the bottom line of the policy. If that's what Christopher says I need, I trust you as my agent, and that's what I'm going to get. I'm not going to be like, well, I got a quote from this online place, because I've been there. I've had issues and I call the agent and they weren't there for me. So that's so much more important. So it's more than just the bottom line of the policy, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I think that you buy into the agent just as much as you buy into the policy. I always tell people you're not just buying the policy, but you're buying what the policy does for you, and you're buying and investing into your agent as well. You are signing on with the hopes that your agent is going to do their job, be there when you need them, advise them properly, give them good advice, and help them make good decisions at the end of the day. I think that's, you're buying into a number of things, but those are definitely a couple of the big factors.
That's so important because luckily we all don't get into accidents every day. Hopefully we never get into one, but you don't know what to do when it happens, or God forbid, something happens in your home. So, you're already paranoid, you're upset, you're emotional. I want to call somebody who's going to be, Kev, take a breath. I got you. This is how we're going to solve this.
Yep.
That's what you're there for, right?
Absolutely. I mean, we see it happen all the time where a client gets into an accident and just like you said, they don't know what to do. And that's why we're here. And that's what we do. Whether it be, we're not just here Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Every time I make a sale, one of the first things that I make it a point to do is say, here's so-and-so, here's my cell phone number. Anytime you need me, whether it's, 10 o'clock at night, 7 o'clock in the morning, that's part of why you signed up with me. It's not just, call me, during business hours. And then when, the second 5:01 PM hits, I don't want to hear from you. I mean, that's what we do. And that's part of why we're here. And we want to make sure that you're covered at all times. I see it all the time where, a client will need me. And, oftentimes during business hours, they're working themselves. So sometimes my days don't start until 5:01 PM because that's when the client questions and phone calls really start rolling in. So that's something I've definitely gotten used to over the last couple of years.
So Christopher, how do people reach out to you? How do they learn more, bud?
Yeah, sure. They can reach me via email, Christopher@batesins.com. Find me on LinkedIn, Christopher Swanson. I got a business Facebook page, a business Instagram. I am very, very easy to get a hold of. So if you want to find me, you should be able to do it pretty easily.
Awesome. Christopher, I really appreciate you taking a few minutes to call on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you, Kev.